If you want to manage vibrations on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find sounds and haptics. Alright, so what kind of settings for vibrations we have in here? First of all, we have haptics in ringtone and alerts. So if we go over here, we can decide if haptics should be provided always or whether they should be allowed to play in the silent mode. You can also exclude the silent mode. And also we can just choose never play. Besides that, for each of these options that we have in here, like the ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, and so on and so forth, all of these options also have haptic settings. So at the top, if we go to haptics, you can choose how your iPhone should vibrate whenever these sounds are played. Here, if we go to the keyboard feedback, we can toggle haptic feedback for the keyboard, so whenever you tap on a key, then of course your phone can vibrate. There is also the system haptics as well, which we can of course toggle in here. And that is pretty much it. I believe these are all the haptics or vibration options that we have available on iPhone 17e. Leave a like and subscribe.